In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Lovable project to another account step-by-step, tutorial 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite the right person and complete the transfer safely and confidently. First, open the Lovable dashboard and make sure you're signed into the account that currently owns the project you want to move. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the correct one before proceeding, because transfers affect ownership and visibility. From the dashboard, look for the Invite Members option. Click it to open the People or Member settings. Here, you'll see a field where you can enter the email address of the person or account you want to transfer the project to. Type the email carefully and review it for typos. Getting the address right helps avoid delays. If a role selector is available, pick a role that gives them the appropriate access for the transfer to succeed. Send the invitation. The recipient will get an email invite. They may need to accept it before they can appear as an eligible destination for a transfer. Next, head back to the dashboard and choose All Projects. This shows your full project list, so you can ensure you're working on the correct one. Select the project you plan to transfer. Take a moment to verify it's the right project by checking its name and key details on the overview page. Inside the project, open the menu associated with your account or profile. This typically displays your name or avatar, and choose Settings. This takes you to the project's configuration area, where ownership and transfer options are managed. Scroll through the settings until you find the Transfer section. Here, you'll see an option to move the project to another workspace or account. Open the selector and choose the destination workspace associated with the person you invited. If you don't see it, make sure the invitation was sent to the correct address and that the recipient has access to your workspace. When you're ready, confirm the transfer. Lovable may prompt you to review the action. Read the confirmation message carefully, since transfers can affect who controls the project, and they may impact billing or permissions. Once confirmed, the project will move to the selected workspace. Give it a moment to update, then return to the dashboard to verify the project now appears under the new owner's workspace. If something doesn't look right, revisit your invites and permissions, or consult Lovable's support resources for guidance. That's it. Your project has been successfully transferred to another account.